Why did I move to Flodesk from ActiveCampaign? Let's dive into it, and the big reason to consider moving ASAP if you're watching this in 2025. Newsflash, don't miss this. Flodesk's unlimited plan, that's unlimited subscribers and emails for one simple annual fee, is going away on November the 28th. If you're thinking at all about moving, even if it's down the track, consider doing it before that date. Use my code Donna Moritz and the link on the screen. My code gives you 50% off your first year, so that's even better. This is a big reason I love Flodesk, but not the only reason. I'll share all the other reasons I moved now. We're going to dive into them, but I'm a Flodesk partner and I only share tools I use and love, so I don't want you to miss this if you're considering making the switch for your email in 2025. Spoiler alert, I'm kicking myself I didn't do this earlier, but you still have time. Here's 5 reasons I moved to Flodesk from ActiveCampaign and a bonus. Number 1, fair and affordable pricing. A beautiful user experience, stunning templates from emails to forms to workflows to checkouts, easy automations, fab analytics, and a team that listens to user feedback and acts on it, which is huge. Okay, that's 5 reasons and a bonus. Number 1, fair pricing, or should I say, amazing pricing. Flodesk's female founders disrupted a behemoth of an industry. Email is expensive and confusing with feature-bloated software that constantly rises in costs as you grow. Flodesk did the unthinkable and created a platform with unlimited subscribers and emails for an affordable monthly or annual fee. They wanted a better way to do email marketing for small businesses, and over 100,000 people use it today. Look, I wish I'd moved earlier. I've moved before from Aweber, then to the big platforms like Entreport and then ActiveCampaign, both with a lot of features but complicated. And in both cases, their rising costs forced me to leave. I've gone from paying over $3,000 US per year to a fifth of that by moving to Flodesk. Moving is never easy, with a lot of automations that have to be sorted, but I actually found it really easy to move to Flodesk, and my choice was sealed when so many friends had great things to say about it. There's 3 things to love about the pricing at present. It's as little as $35 a month or $59 if you have full checkout features. That's a fraction of what other platforms charge. And Flodesk offers 50% off your first year through partners like me. And the big one, unlimited subscribers and being able to send unlimited emails, which sealed the deal for me. And friends don't let friends miss out on unlimited. While I love that Flodesk offered unlimited pricing for so long, they need to remain sustainable for us all. So they'll be evolving their pricing model to move from unlimited subscribers and emails to a new tiered pricing that scales with audience size. If you're watching this in 2025, it goes away on November the 28th, so be sure to use my partner code on the screen to lock in unlimited pricing. If it's after the new pricing tiers come in, I'm sure it will still be affordable and you'll be in good hands with Flodesk's amazing features. Let's take a look at them. Number 2 is a beautiful user experience. I'd been becoming frustrated with ActiveCampaign's email builder and things getting buggy, loads of new features and complexity, especially AI, and then I was moved to a higher plan than I needed with little customer support. I didn't need new features, I needed things to work better, and I got that with Flodesk. ActiveCampaign could do a lot and had great automations, but it was a learning curve, and Flodesk gave me the functionality and simplicity I was craving. A beautiful dashboard, easy to navigate, features that work, and an email builder that, quite frankly, is a joy to use. I do a lot of text-based emails to keep my deliverability high, but if you wish to add images and blocks and all sorts of design features, you can. Which brings me to number 3, the stunning templates. Flodesk's templates are amazing. Flodesk is known for being a platform that's loved by designers and non-designers. It has a whiz-bang patented layout technology that lets you design stunning graphics in your emails without using any third-party software. It's not just emails, it's forms, landing pages, checkouts, and more. Flodesk makes it really easy to find the type of email that you need, whether it's to share news or make some money or say thank you or inspire your audience. You can easily look under categories and then use a template. I love how they have some of these beautiful fonts as well. You can also upload your own custom fonts. It's really easy to edit these templates. You can change placeholders for images, change out headings and body copy. And there's some real marketing savvy behind some of these templates, like these purchase follow-up emails. It's design plus marketing smarts all wrapped up for you. And it's not just emails that you get these amazing templates for. There are dozens of templates for things like forms. So you've got link in bio and then pop-up forms for your website. They also have some pretty sleek inline forms for new subscribers. And I really love their full page forms that you can use to share freebies or products or services. And cool video-centric forms where you can showcase a video. Some of these designs are very nice. And if you're looking for something different, try one of these spinner forms. And these sleek countdown forms, just about everything you need to run your marketing for your business. These are just a few examples of templates. I'm sure you can see there is endless inspiration. And the other thing that is cool is you can add all your branding to Flodesk. So you can add your logos, colors, brand fonts, and all of your details, including your social links. So everything is ready to go when you're creating emails. Automations. I'm pretty happy with Flodesk automations so far. ActiveCampaign definitely offers vastly superior and complex automations with advanced segmentation. But the reality is I really only needed some of that when I really looked at it, and that made moving to Flodesk easy. I find it less overwhelming and easier to keep track of my automations. Flodesk's folders and color-coded segmenting for organization has really helped, and I love the workflows themselves. They are so easy to put together, really intuitive. I had my first one up and running in minutes without needing to watch a ton of tutorials, and I think that speaks volumes. My brain loves Flodesk automations. They use condition steps to let you personalize experiences for your subscribers based on actions, preferences, or attributes. It's really simple. If this happens, then do that logic, and just makes so much sense to me. Using yes/no criteria, I can make single workflows or move people through multiple workflows. And if that's too hard to begin with, then Flodesk also has dozens of pre-made templates for automations. So you can click on one like this nurture sequence and everything is set up to go. All of the steps and the conditions, you can come in and edit and add your own emails, change some of the triggers if you like, or even some of the time delays between when things are sent out. It gives you a great start. And while there's a number of different actions you can add to your workflows, I really love a feature called link actions that allow you to automate workflows, segment your subscribers, and personalize your subscriber experience, all with a single click. Here's an example. I want to be able to provide a link for my subscribers to click and watch the video, but when they watch that video, I don't want them to have to sign up to any particular segment, but I'm going to assign them to my Canva lovers segment so that I know they like Canva content. It's an easy way to track what they're clicking and then give them content based on their actions. Here's a few ways you can use link actions. You can add subscribers to one or multiple segments or remove them. You can add subscribers to one or multiple workflows or remove them, and you can tag subscribers with a custom field. Deliverability is so important when it comes to email, and it's always a challenge when moving email platforms. Flodesk's deliverability overall has been solid and actually better than ActiveCampaign. I have a 99 to 100% delivery rate and between 50 to 75% open rate for emails through to workflows, and forms are being completed at a rate of about 40% or more. So these numbers may flatten out as I continue to send emails, but I'm pretty happy with that, and it's a great first few months. A hot tip is to warm up your list. I spent a lot of time cleaning up my list in ActiveCampaign before I downloaded it. I had it in sections so I knew who my most engaged subscribers were, my product customers, etc., through to people that maybe hadn't engaged as much. I removed a lot of cold subscribers, and then I made sure I authenticated my domain with Flodesk that I sent emails initially to highly engaged subscribers that I knew that they would reply or engage. And I was very honest about the move, made it sort of lighthearted and fun, and gave them a housewarming gift, which was like a really valuable freebie, and a couple of freebies actually over a couple of weeks. So that made that content quite clickable. It encouraged engagement, and I also really encouraged replies. I wanted to talk to my subscribers, and I had so many people reach out that I didn't know were on my list that told me how valuable my content was to them. So it was actually quite a nice experience. I mean, I always encourage replies and engagement, but this was next level, so it was really fun. Then I also avoided inactive or cold lists, at least initially, like those people that were sort of like more moderately warm. I emailed later and gradually rolled out to more and more people, and I kept a very close eye on my analytics in Flodesk just to see how those emails were going out. And then also I checked in on Google Postmaster tools just to check that everything was landing and everything was working as it should. And overall, all of those things together were successful. And I highly recommend you check out Flodesk's help documents and blog posts about warming up your list, as I found them really useful too. Lastly, a team that listens. Look, I don't want to be a negative Nelly, but I tried to negotiate a better price and was even willing to drop features with ActiveCampaign, but unless I paid the same for less features or more for features I didn't need, it just wasn't going to work. So it's frustrating to see companies let loyal customers go, but hey, I'm happy now and I'm glad it's worked out like it has. Flodesk has been great. I'm less overwhelmed and excited to write emails again. I want to be clear though that I don't get all the bells and whistles of ActiveCampaign, but some of those features are hopefully coming in Flodesk. They have a public roadmap so we can see what's being worked on now and coming up, and they listen to their community to upvote those features. Again, if you're watching this video in 2025, seriously consider Flodesk's unlimited plan before it goes away on November the 28th. Use the link on screen and in the description and my code Donna Moritz. This will still give you a special offer after unlimited goes away, as I'm a Flodesk partner. So currently you get 50% off the entire annual subscription fee for Flodesk, which is a huge saving. And if you're watching this after that date, then hopefully you found this walkthrough helpful to hear about my favorite reasons for moving to Flodesk. If you like this video, please subscribe and ring the bell. It helps me create more content for you. And don't forget to watch the next video on the screen to help you grow your business with visual content. Stay creative.